ताज़ा तरीन अपलोड्स की नोटिफिकेशन हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में दिए गए घंटी के निशान को दबाना ना।
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vaishali and you're watching my channel Vaishali Official. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to treat your dark lips. How it is causes for your dark lips, I'm going to tell you. First of all, you're having caffeine like chai, coffee and all. Because of that, your lips are getting burned and all, and also it will get a stain to your lips. Even most of the people are smoking and all. Because of that also dark lips also created. Anyone you're having a different types of things like hot things like you're having, because of that it will get a burn to your lips. Even you are using different types of lipstick and all, because of that your dark lips is created. To treat this, I'm here to share with you how it is treat and what all ingredient mix in it. So guys, before that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, I had used lipstick. So I'm going to remove this lipstick with the help of cotton, or you can use a tissue paper. Otherwise we will tell that you used lipstick and all. So I remove this lipstick. Then first of all, how you are using scrub to your face, like that you have to use lips for that scrub. So first of all, you have to take a sugar, or you can take a salt. I'm taking sugar here because I'm comfortable with sugar. And with this you have to add little bit of rose water. Then you have to scrub to your lips. You can also use lemon. Lemon is best. It will remove the bleaching and all. For 5 minutes you have to scrub your lips. Sugar will help to deep cleaner, even it remove the inside dirt also from your lips. Very well you have to scrub it. Then I'm going to wipe with a cotton ball. Then second, how you're using mask for your face, like that. Important, lips also you have to put mask. So you have to take a little bit of honey. Honey, it's a help any kind of diseases also. It won't be harm to your lips and all. So I'm going to put for my lips. It has different types of diseases and all. It will cure, even it will heal your lips, and it will moisturize your lips also. You have to keep this for 5 or 10 minutes. Then you have to wipe with a tissue paper or cotton ball. I am removing because I have to show you a different type of next step. You can keep 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So I don't have time. Then you have to soften to your lips. Then you have to use coconut oil. 1 drop you have to take onto your finger. Then apply to your lips. It will nourish your lips and make your skin and lips also soften and lighten and brighten also. And it will remove the dead skin also from your lips. You have to keep this overnight before you're going to sleep. If you don't have time to scrub and all, you have to take a lemon and salt and scrub this, and you can use directly honey to your lips. You can keep overnight or you can keep for 40 minutes and then you have to wash with this. So it won't be one day it will cure. You have to use this 1 month daily, then you will get a best result. So I am using this daily. I get a best result. I had a dark lips, so I had used many time and it will cure little bit of my lips. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.